Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Going to do a short update here on the indoor garden experiment. Just going to show you some quick stuff here, not go much into it. I'll be coming out with a members only video here shortly that goes into more depth what's going on. Membership is only 99 cents a month. That's less than a cup of coffee. Alrighty, so just a little quickie here. The tomato plant is at 46 inches tall. The big Roma, the small Roma is at a little over 24 inches tall. And we got a bunch of stuff coming on here with the other little plants here, which I will cover for the members only. Alright, remember, plant a garden.